You walk a queen, you always keep it G for me. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like right now. My roots are pretty much natural, so by the time I get done, I probably just have, like, you know, my natural curls coming out. So the longer parts are, they're colored and relaxed, y'all. They need to go. Okay, so yeah, this part of my hair is always thin, like it's always been like that. So I'm not really sure how that's gonna look, but I do plan on bleaching my hair after I cut it. I went to the beauty supply store actually like a few minutes ago to pick up some bleach. But yeah, I'm super excited to see how it's gonna come out. I just want to do a big chop, y'all. I did one like last year and I feel like it was around this time. I can't really remember, but yeah, it's like I just want some change to my hair. Like I just don't want any hair, honestly. So yeah, so I got my clippers right here. I'm using this is a number 8. No, actually, yes, a number 8 guard. It's like a 1 inch. So I'm gonna start off with this one and to see which other one I'm gonna use, because I want it to be short, y'all, like almost bald. Like I never had that look and I really want that look. The last time I did cut my hair, I mean, I was like almost bald, but not really. But yeah, I'm gonna start the process, so probably speed up this part, I don't know. But yeah, I'm super excited. I really don't care about cutting my hair off. Okay, so I switched to a number 3 because the one just was not giving. It's still long, but I want it to be short, so I'm gonna try the 3 out. I'm gonna go in with my scissors and I'm gonna cut off most of the long parts because I don't like the way the clippers are grabbing my hair. Process. Hopefully these gloves are not making a whole bunch of noise, but I already mixed up my bleach and I used a 40 volume. What brand is this? Oh, it's like Superstar, but it's just a regular 40 volume developer. This is the CREME developer. And then I used the BW bleach. So yeah, I just mixed those two together. I kind of did like a lot of bleach. I'm not really sure if this is too much, but I don't want it to be like not enough. So yeah, I'm gonna go in and start bleaching my hair, and the cut is like very uneven. But I'm gonna fix it like once I bleach my hair. I'll probably do it like tomorrow sometime, and then I'll show you guys like the finished result basically. But yeah, I just want to hurry up and bleach it. This is like the fun part. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start bleaching. My hair came out. I actually tried to bleach it twice, but I just felt like that was kind of risky, so I had rinsed it out right the last night. So I haven't done anything to it. Well, yeah, of course I put conditioner or whatever on my hair, but I just got back from the store. I thought I was gonna have to go to the beauty supply store, but they ended up having the color that I wanted at Walmart. So I got the Dark and Lovely Luminous Blonde. It's $3.96, but I want to use this color because I want to get rid of this like orange yellowish looking color. I did use purple shampoo after I had rinsed out the bleach, but it's still giving like orange yellow. So I want to use this color, and then I'm gonna like cut some more of my hair down just to even it out or whatever. But yeah, I plan on using this today and see how it comes out. I'm actually about to apply it right now, but I'm gonna come back to show you guys like what it looks like. So hopefully it gives me like the color that I wanted. I feel like it will, because I just don't want my hair to look, I want it to look professional. Like I don't want to look like I did it at home or whatever. So but yeah, hopefully it turns out good. I'm just gonna come back to show you guys like the finished look or whatever, because this is gonna be like basically it's gonna be like a 3-day process, because I want to give you guys like the finished look or whatever, but it probably won't be today. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the color. I'll probably come back on camera just to like when I rinse it out or whatever, just to show you guys. Okay, so today is it's the second day of me bleaching my hair. So this is how it came out. I did use the Dark and Lovely color. I believe it was like Luminous Blonde, and yeah, you could find it at, because I seen it at the beauty supply store, but they actually had it in Walmart too. So yeah, but all yesterday I was like, I feel like I'm gonna need to bleach my brows. So I just got back from Walgreens, and like I never thought that I would be bleaching my brows ever. But yeah, it's like not really giving. Like I just hate that I want it to be like more softer, because I feel like the contrast is like too much. But yeah, I'm gonna bleach my brows basically. So I just got back from Walgreens, and it is currently, today is actually Valentine's Day, but yeah, it's 8:46, February 14th. yeah, and I'm about to bleach my brows. So this is the kit that I got, and this was the last one, y'all. I would have been like so sick if it wasn't none in there, but I did look it up. It did say that like it was in the store. So yeah, it's the Sally Hansen brand here. So this is the one for the face. Like, make sure you read the box too, because I almost picked up the wrong one. But they have one, it's for face and body. And then they have like the wax things look like this too, but you gotta read it. Like, make sure you just read it. So I just got the one that's for the face. And it's supposed to be gentle. I was gonna order it from off of Amazon, but it would have got here till like Wednesday, and I can't wait that long. So luckily they had it at the Walgreens. So yeah, I'm gonna start doing this. So it has like, I believe this is like the powder. Yeah, this is the activator. So it's like in this little bottle. And then this is the bleach. Okay, so this is the bleach, but I think you have to mix the activator with it. But yeah, it comes in like a little tub like this, and it came with a spatula like this, and then it comes with like a little small cup, plastic cup. So yeah, I did bring out a little brush. This is from like a Real Techniques makeup brush kit. Yeah, it's the Real Techniques, but it's like a smudge brush or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna use this to apply it. Like, I just want to lightly bleach my brows. Like, I don't want it to be like my hair color, because I just feel like the black brows would not look right on me with blonde hair. So yeah. So I just wiped out the bleach, and I can tell that they do look lighter. It looks more softer. I kind of want to do it like one more time, y'all, but like my eyebrows feel like very, very dry. But I may do it again tomorrow. I'm not really sure, but I'm gonna have to find like a light brown eyebrow pencil. I think I do have one, but usually I was going for like a more darker eyebrow pencil. But I don't even really be doing my makeup like that no more. So yeah, I'm gonna have to find like a new brow product. So yeah, it does look a lot softer because my brows were like black basically. So yeah, I like how it came out. I'm probably gonna come back when I'm like looking more presentable, I guess you can say. And I may like style my hair on camera just to show you guys how I styled it. So yesterday when I got done doing my hair, well, when I rinsed out the color, what did I do? Oh, I put in like some oil on my hair because it was like real dry because I had bleached it. So yeah, I put oil on there. I put a leave-in conditioner. I'll show you guys what kind it is. But I put gel, just like a little bit of gel in my hair. I forgot which kind it is. It's like the it's like one of those newer eco style gels. I forgot what it's called, but I've had it for a while. I just was not using it. I'll show you guys what that looks like. But yeah, I had put like some gel in my hair. I brushed it down, and last night I just tied my hair down with a scarf, and I loved how it came out too. Of course my hair is like curly too, but I was trying to do like a little side part thing, and I guess you couldn't really tell, but I don't know. I'm gonna try it again today. But yeah, it came out really good. So yeah, I may just style it again today. I kind of want to do my makeup just to give like a whole look. I don't know. But yeah, I'll be back to show you guys like the end result. Hi you guys. So it's been a couple of days, y'all. Today is currently the 19th. So I just wanted to show you guys the finished look of my hair. So this is how it came out, but I do want to mention, it looks like some gel is in my hair, but so from the last clip I had mentioned that I used the Dark and Lovely hair color. It was the Luminous Blonde. I believe the number is like 396, y'all. I got rid of the box, so I don't remember, but I do remember the name. It's like Luminous Blonde or whatever. So I did use that color, but it's like it still was not the color, well, I guess you could say like my desired color that I wanted. So I was like, okay, well, maybe I'm gonna have to tone my hair. So I did pick up this toner by Wella. So it's the Wella Color Charm. I used the color T27. So yeah, this is what I use on my hair to achieve this color. And it came out so good, y'all. I'm like super pleased. It looks very professional. So yeah, you guys got to see like the whole process of me doing my hair. I just wanted to like do it different this time, y'all. I just wanted to look more professional, you know. Well, technically I am a professional, but yeah. So yeah, this is how it came out. Of course, I had to use a 20 volume developer with the toner. But yeah, I don't plan on bleaching my hair again. Like, I'm gonna give my hair like a little break, okay? But the toner definitely did give me the look that I wanted. So the T27 shade is a medium beige blonde. So this is like basically the color. I feel like that Dark and Lovely color, y'all, didn't really, I don't know if y'all can tell a difference like from the transformation. I'm gonna have to go back and look at the clips or whatever, but I feel like it didn't really turn my hair a different color. I don't know. But yeah, this is the finished look. So I just wanted to show you guys the finished look, and plus I had filmed the content or whatever, so I was like, let me just go ahead and finish, like complete the whole video, okay, even though it's been like a couple of days. So yeah, that is how I achieved my short blonde hair. Of course, I'm going to film like how I'm styling my hair as well, because I had to pick up some new products to style my hair, because I didn't really have anything. Like, all I had was like gel, but the gel was not like giving me this look. So yeah, I'm gonna come back to, well, I'm gonna film like a whole separate video of me styling my short hair and just share with you guys like the products that I use as well. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this whole transformation of my like big chop again. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe as well.